Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install a free SEO plugin for your website. So first of all you can log in into your website, then after that go to plugin sections, and here in WordPress plugin library you can search for Yoast SEO. So guys, here you can see 10 million plus active installations. You can install this one, as well as you have another option, Rankmath SEO. So nowadays mostly websites are using this one, so I can install it, and after that here I can activate it. Then after that scroll down, click here, connect your account. So guys, here you can see, let me try for free account if they allow. So let me select my email account, then click here continue button. So let me scroll down and activate it. So now let me scroll down and I want to set up easy method. Then let me scroll down, click here setup wizard, and still I have no data from Yoast SEO, so let me uncheck. So I think I have installed Yoast SEO and I want to skip it. So now let me scroll down, and here I need to select a category, personal website. So now I want to select this one, and after that let me select category that is related to my blog website. So I can type keyword, this one, professional service, and after that let me scroll down, and here I need to add logo. So for now I don't have any logo, let me skip, and also I can have another option, save, and then let me skip this step, and again click on the return button. So Rankmath setup is complete, and here you can see settings. So the first option is global meta. So this is basically index and no index. So index means that we want to index these pages to the Google for the ranking, and then local SEO option. So these are the different options for the SEO perspectives. Now let me go in the blog posts. And after that I want to edit one blog post. So let me scroll down, and here I need to add one plugin that's called Classic Editor. So this one, here you can see 10 million plus active installations. Let me install and activate and then reload the page. Now let me scroll down. Here you can see Rankmath plugin settings. So let me scroll down, and here I can add focus keyword. For example, contact form plugins. Then here I can edit snippet. So here I can change SEO title, then post link, then description. So this is called meta description. And after that, let me update the blog post. So guys, in this way you can easily install and configure Rankmath plugin.